Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Coloring Store Fortune. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Introducing. Effortlessly create and manage a fully functional, stunning, product-rich, and user-friendly coloring page store designed to bring consistent sales and long-term brand value. With Coloring Store Fortune, you're not just building a website. You're creating a ready-to-sell digital storefront packed with 10,000 high-quality coloring pages, all without design work or product creation. 3 steps to launch your Coloring Store Fortune. Step 2, add your payment details. Connect your PayPal, Stripe, or other payment method in WooCommerce and start accepting orders instantly. Packed with premium features. 10,000 ready-to-sell coloring pages pre-imported to your store. Get instant access to a massive library of 10,000 professionally designed coloring pages, already organized into 90+ products, pre-imported into your store. No need to spend days uploading, formatting, and write product description. Each product comes with image, description, and download link, so you can start selling right away. Whether you're targeting kids, adults, or niche themes, this built-in inventory gives you a powerful head start. It's perfect for beginners with no design skills and also ideal for experienced sellers looking to expand their catalog fast. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.